Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Dyson Zone headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily connect them with your iPhone. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to turn on them. Now we have to hold this button for a few moments. Now, as you can see, they're turned on. To go into pairing mode, you just have to hold this button again. Now, as you can see, it's in pairing mode. So we have to scroll down to our control panel, hold our finger on Bluetooth, and then go into Bluetooth settings. Now, as you can see in the devices is Dyson Zone. You just have to click on it and wait a moment. Now, as you can see, we're connected. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.